Trying to just do a simple AI agent, and this is AI agent to handling the booking appointment with the medical specialist. So I just made a demo, and this is just a prototype. Maybe I just make it on Rush to fulfillment the job task.
This is a voice system for booking appointments. After completing your booking, please remember to say stop or exit at any time to end the conversation. Hello, this is Sarah from Dr. John McCarthy's clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, Sarah. This is Muhammad Jaddo.
Hello, Muhammad. How can I assist you today?
I would like to have appointment with Dr. John, and I prefer next week Monday at 9 a.m.
Hello, Muhammad. I can help you with that. I will schedule an appointment for you with Dr. John on Monday next week at 9 a.m. Can I have your full name, please?
My full name is Muhammad Ahmed Jaddo.
Thank you for providing your full name. Muhammad Ahmed Jadur. Your appointment with Dr. John has been successfully scheduled for Monday next week at 9 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. Please stop the conversation. Okay, so it is not, it is require a lot of improvement, such as required to extraction for the numbers and make it more like human voice. But I just did this one just for show like how to we create a simple AI agent by using LLM, LangChain, and others. OpenAI API. I use it just one because this one it is fast for development and it is a clean API.